Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you're here today. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button so I know that you're new and that you like my channel. And it really is a great way to support a small business. It's a small gesture, but it really does make an impact on our channel. And plus, you get access to all of our awesome videos. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so we're gonna jump right in. We are making a warm, creamy, delicious vegan meal in 5 minutes with 3 ingredients. Let's go. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. I really am so glad that you are here to join me for another video. If you're new here, drop a comment in the comment box below. Say hi, let me know your name, and let me know one of your favorite vegan meals. So like I said, maybe I didn't say, I'm not sure. My name is Amanda, and I am the co-owner of Slow Foods Kitchen, where we make vegan snacks for part-time vegans just like you. You can find all of our goodies on our website, Amazon.com and Walmart.com. All right, so today we are making a super delicious, super easy, warm, hot, creamy vegan meal with 3 ingredients. So the first thing we are going to use is, let me turn on my hot pot here. We are going to boil these noodles. I'm going to put them right in our pan and boil them so they can cook while we chat. All right, so we are just going to make some creamy noodles with a vegan sauce. It sounds good, and you could do all of this. You can make your own noodles if you're feeling a little crazy or not. You can also make your own sauce, but we want to make it easy because sometimes or often, like me, you're in a hurry, you're hungry, you're tired, you want to eat good food or hot food, but sometimes it's just difficult. So I picked up these noodles at Publix. I'm sure you can find them at Walmart, Whole Foods, Fresh Market. They are Pasta Zero Fettuccine. They're vegan, gluten-free. The cool thing about these is that they are made from yams. Oh, no, sorry. These are made from chickpea flour. There's another brand made from yams. So this stuff is good, especially if you need a hand in the kitchen or you're in a hurry or you don't like to cook. This is a great option. Yeah, so there's that. All right, so we're gonna boil these noodles for 2 minutes. So our noodles have been boiling for 2 minutes, and while they're boiling, I was just reading this package because not much else I can do, so I was just hanging out. The cool thing about these, if you're trying to watch your calories, but you love pasta, 20 calories is the whole thing. Which for me, I don't really worry about calories. Your body needs calories, and your body needs carbs too, but sometimes you just wanna have a whole bag of pasta and not have to worry about it. And if you eat the whole bag, I'm here for you. I support this. Okay, so we boiled our noodles for 2-3 minutes. I'm gonna strain these guys out. These noodles have a firmer texture than regular pasta, and they're just delicious. All right, so we boiled our noodles. Now, here's how to make this quick and easy. You could make a cashew-based sauce and do all of the fun things. I know you, but I don't always have time for that. But I do love it. So I picked up some Kite Hill cream cheese. It was BOGO at Publix. Always amazing. It's dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, no artificial flavors or preservatives. I think that's my favorite part. Made from live cultures, and it's kosher. And it's delicious. So they have this in a couple different flavors. I went with the, what is it? I think it's chive. So I'm just gonna scoop out, I don't know, a third, a half. You can do as much or as little as you want. I'm gonna do about a half, and we're just gonna stir it up. It's so good. Great on bagels too, out of the bowl, chips, probably vegetables. It's probably good vegetables. And so we're just gonna stir it up. If you make a mess, it's just part of the deal. Now I do like to sometimes add in some of my favorite plant-based milk. Today I have organic soy because that's literally what I have in my fridge. You could use almond. Coconut is really good. I like almond milk, but when it comes to cooking, I don't always like to cook with it. So put about 2 tablespoons in, stir, mix up, and now you have this creamy, yummy, warm vegan meal. Seriously, give yourself 5 minutes and you can wash the dishes. So that's it. That's just one simple way. So if you have another recipe you want to learn, or you have a different favorite vegan recipe, let me know. I would love to hear about it. I'm gonna go have my lunch, and I will catch you right here next Friday for another video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I appreciate it, and it helps me know that you like the videos.